Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So again we are here for learning something new about food. So let's start our lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher from Mahdi School, Mubassir Amis, and we learn about plants today. So we continue our lesson number 4, but today we are doing some activity which you help me to find out food we get from plant. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line that you must tell yourself no matter how hard it is or how hard it gets, I am going to make it. So what we learn from this line, that when you start any work or when you continue work, so if this work going to hard to you, but you have to tell yourself that no matter how hard it is, I am going to make it, that I can do it any hard work. So you have to motivate yourself that any kind of work, it is hard, I can do it. So we have to motivate ourselves that I can do it. So let's start our today's lecture. So here, what did you see in this picture? Fruits and vegetables. You can see here beetroot, apple, tomato, strawberry. What they are doing? They are playing. So like that, today we play with fruits. How we play with fruit? Let's see. So our today's topic is food we get from plant, and today we doing activity. What we learn today? We learn something new from this activity. Before that, let's revise what we learned yesterday. So yesterday we learned about fruit, part of the plant. So here you can see so many pictures which we see yesterday. So some fruits are dancing here. So first fruit is mango. As we all know that almost everyone like mango. So yesterday we learned about mango, that how mango growing. We also use green mango and we also eat yellow or orange mango. So we learn about mango, that how mango grow. So we learn that how mango plants start growing. So we see that mango start growing from the roots. And in lesson number 3, we learn about mango start growing, but in this lesson we see the flowers of mango. So let's see what we learned yesterday. It is a flower of mango which converted into the fruit or changes into the fruit. So you can see here the small mangoes in it. You can see here the small mangoes which we learned yesterday, that how mango growing from flower and how we get mangoes. Then we learn that types of mango. From these 2 types of mango, green and yellow mango, we can eat. And we also eat that purple color mango, but it is not available in India. So These things we learned yesterday, that how we use mango in our food. First we learn about raw mangoes as a food. So we make a cold drink from green mangoes or sauce from green mangoes. So here you can see the pickles which we make from green mangoes, which we eat in food. Then we learn about how we use milkshake of mango in our meal. So we can eat mango with dishes in our house, in dinner also and in lunch also. So here you can see some picture in which we use mango. So we can make milkshake also and we can make candies also. So here you can see that like mango, most of the fruits grow and first they are green in color, then they get their own color. So here you can see the apple, green apple and red apple. So both of the apple we can eat, that we learned yesterday. Then we see the picture of coconut, green coconut and brown coconut. Then we learn about orange, papaya and many other fruits which we learned yesterday. So fruit as a food. Now how we use fruit as a food, which we learned yesterday, that we can drink fruit juice. We also learned that some fruits which we use as a vegetable, brinjal, chili, lemon, tomatoes, and how we use it. Today we play one game. Let's help Dora. So I think you all know Dora, right? So we have to help Dora. Now how we help Dora? She is here and telling you that, hi friends, I am Dora. Can you please help me to picking food from plant? Remember we learn about plants in lesson number 3. And lesson number 4, we learn about vegetables, fruits and many other parts of the plant which we eat. So we have to help Dora to picking the food from plants. So she don't know that which part of the plant we can eat. So let's help her. So first what she need? She need apple. So let's help her. Okay. Now which plant it is? Anyone guess? Yes, it is a apple tree. So what we eat from apple tree? Can we eat leaf of apple tree? No. Can we eat stem of apple tree? No. So we eat fruit of apple tree. So what we take from apple tree? We take apple. You can see the arrow. So we take apple from apple tree. So we take apple from apple tree. Now we have to give it to whom? We have to give it to Dora. So let's go to Dora. So here Dora again speaking with you. What she is telling? That now I can make apple pie from this apple. So what we make from apple? We can make apple pie from apple. So we get food from plant, and apple tree give us fruit. Which fruit apple tree give us? Apple. So now Dora is very happy. You can see here that she can make apple pie now. Now again Dora asking you something. First, she don't know that which plant it is. So let's tell her which plant it is. It is a carrot plant. So she is asking, what should I take from it? So we tell her that we can take carrot from this plant. You can see the arrow which show us the carrot. And where carrot grow? Underground. Why? Because it is a root of the plant. So let's give her answer. Yes, she tells that I can take carrot from carrot plant. So let's take out carrot from carrot plant. So many carrots are here. Now what she do from this carrot? Let's see what she do with this carrot. So we have to give it to Dora. Here is Dora again. She is waiting for us. So she said that thanks, now I can drink carrot juice from carrot. So what we make from carrot? We make a carrot juice from carrot. And remember, I tell you that carrot juice help to our eyes sharp. So now Dora, thank you that for carrot. Now let's go. And Dora is here. And what she is asking, that which plant it is? So we tell her that it is a potato plant. So she don't know that it is a potato plant. But we know because we learn about potato plant. So let's see what she is telling. She is asking that what should I take from it? Let's revise what we take from this plant. It is a potato plant. Yes. So we take a potato from it. And where potato grow? You can see here potato is a underground part. But as root grow underground, so it is a root of the plant? No, it is not root of the plant because it is a stem of the plant. You can see the roots there. So Dora will take potato from it. So let's give her potatoes from it. And where is potato? Yes. So here is a basket of potato which Dora take. So let's give her these potatoes. Now see what she is saying again. Again she is telling thank you. Then what she make from potato? What we make from potato? Remember I tell you that we can make chips and fries from potato, and we also use potato as a proper meal. So she is now very happy because she can make chips and fries from potato. So let's go again in farm. So now again Dora asking you which plant it is. It is a cabbage plant. You can see here cabbage with leaf or without leaf. With leaf. but we learn that cabbage is a leaf of the plant. So remember, when we learn about leaf of the plant which we eat, we learn about cabbage. So here is a cabbage. Now let's see what Dora is asking. Dora is asking, what should I take from it? So we can take cabbage from it. So she can take cabbage from it and put in basket. So here is a basket of cabbage. So you can see the arrow which show us that leaf of the plant we eat cabbage. Now let's go to Dora again. Again she is telling you something. Thanks. Now I can make salad from it. So remember what we make from cabbage. We use cabbage as a proper meal also, and we can make a diet food from cabbage because we have to be healthy. So now Dora is happy because we can help her to make salad. Then let's see, again Dora is asking you something. Now which plant it is? It is onion plant or it is a carrot plant? Which plant it is? It is a garlic plant which Dora don't know. So we have to tell her that it is a garlic plant. And what she is telling? That someone take out plant. So if you want to eat garlic, you have to take out whole plant of garlic. Why? Because garlic is a root of the plant. So now she is asking that it's a garlic, I need it. So she take a garlic from this plant. So here is a basket of garlic which she take to her kitchen. Now let's see what she is telling about garlic. That she tell that I need to peel it first. So we cannot eat garlic with peels. So we have to take out peels from the garlic. Then we use it. Now Dora thinking that what we make from garlic. Let's think that we go to garden again. So let's go in garden. What she is telling? Which plant it is? It is her garden and she grow one plant. Let's see which plant it is. We know now because we learn about plants. So it is a ginger plant. Now let's see what Dora is telling. That I grow one plant in garden. So here is that plant. Which plant it is? It is a ginger plant. So what she take from it? She can take ginger from it. And where is ginger? You can see the arrow. So she take a ginger from it. And we learn that ginger is a stem of the plant. We know that ginger grow underground, but it is a stem of the plant because roots are different from ginger. So let's take ginger from it. So we take a ginger from it. Here is a ginger. How we use ginger? We use paste of ginger. So let's give it to Dora. What she do from it? Again, she thank you that for help. Here is a ginger. What she is telling you? That I make a paste of it. Now, from which vegetables she make taste? Let's see. Remember, we take a garlic from it, and we have ginger also. So, we peel the ginger and garlic and we grind it and make a paste. So, let's make a paste from it. So, here is a ginger garlic paste which we use in our food. Our mother add ginger garlic paste in dishes for taste. So now she can make tasty food from ginger garlic paste. So let's see now what Dora is asking you about plants. So here again Dora is here, and which plant it is? It is a brinjal plant. So you can see here brinjal plant with flower. But what we eat from this plant? We eat fruit of the plant. And which is the fruit of the plant? Brinjal. So let's tell Dora that she can take brinjal from it. What should I take from it? Flower or fruit? She is asking you that what she should take from it? Flower or fruit? She take a fruit from it. So she take a brinjal from it. So let's help her to take brinjal. Here is a basket of brinjal. So brinjal is a fruit of the plant which we learned yesterday. That fruit we eat as a vegetable. Now let's see what Dora making from it. Now Dora is very happy. Why? Because she can make yummy dish from it. And she thank to you that she can make a yummy dish from it. And we use brinjal as a proper meal in our food. In lunch also and in dinner also. So now Dora is making yummy dish from it. Now again Dora is in garden. Now which plant it is? Remember we learn flower as a fruit? No. It is a flower, not a fruit. So, which plant it is? Cauliflower plant. Now, what Dora is asking you? Let's see. She is asking that what should I take from it? Leaf or flower? So, Dora take a flower from it. And which is the flower? Cauliflower. A white cauliflower you can see. So, she take a cauliflower from it, and cauliflower is a flower of the plant. So let's take a cauliflower from it. Here is a basket of cauliflower. So many food collected Dora. Now let's see what she make from cauliflower. Now Dora is here again. Now let's see what she is telling. That thanks, I make a healthy soup from it. Which part of the plant we take? We take a flower, and she make a cauliflower soup from it. So she can be healthy after eating this soup. So she is very happy. She is collect so many vegetables from garden. Now let's see what she is telling, that thanks for help. Let's check out what we have, what we take from the garden. So she is telling that let's check what we take from the garden. We have apple, we take a apple, fruit of the plant from apple tree. Then we take a flower, cauliflower. Then we take a brinjal, again fruit of the plant. Then we take a garlic from the plant and ginger from ginger plant, and we take a cabbage from cabbage plant. Something missing? Yes, we take a carrot from plant. So we take so many vegetable and fruit from the plant. Dora now very happy. So what we have? Cabbage, carrot, apple, brinjal, ginger, garlic and cauliflower. So now Dora put these vegetable and fruit in refrigerator. But before that, she is telling you something. What she is telling you? That she want to divide the fruit and vegetable in different parts. So first we have to help her that root of the plant. So from this, which is the root of the plant? Let's see. Carrot and garlic. So we learn in previous lectures that root of the plant, carrot and garlic, which grow under the ground. So now she can understand that which is the root of the plant. So let's help her to divide these fruits and vegetables in different part of the plant. So let's see what she is asking. Now she is asking for flower of the plant. So from this, which is a flower of the plant? Is that ginger? Is that apple? Is that brinjal? No. So let's help her that cauliflower is a flower of the plant. So here we learn about this in lesson number 4, that cauliflower is a flower of the plant. Now let's help her again. Now fruits of the plant. So from this, which is a fruit of the plant? Apple. That we know that apple is a fruit of the plant. But second fruit of the plant, we can see here. Remember, I tell you that some vegetables are also fruit of the plant. Which is this? Yes, brinjal. So let's help her that fruit of the plant, apple and brinjal. So here you can see the fruit of the plant, apple and brinjal. Now let's see stem of the plant. Which is the stem of the plant? Potato and ginger. As we know that potato and ginger both are grow underground, but it is not root of the plant. It is a stem of the plant. So it is a stem of the plant. Now leaf of the plant. From this, which is a leaf of the plant? Yes, cabbage. Cabbage is a leaf of the plant. So we learn about leaf in previous lectures. Yes. Then next, what we learn today? We learn about fruits and vegetables that we learn in previous lecture, and we help Dora to bring parts of the plant that we eat. So now you can understand that what we learn about parts of the plant which we eat. So let's revise what we learned today and how we help to Dora today. Let's revise. Help Dora to bring some food from plant. So here we help her to take apple from it, we see the apple tree and we take an apple from it. She can make apple pie from it. Then we help to take carrot from carrot plant, and we also help her to making carrot juice, and we give her to carrot so she can drink carrot juice. Then we go again in garden and we help her to take potato from potato plant. And what she make from potato plant? We help her to make chips and fries and give her potatoes. Then we go to garden and we take a flower of the plant. No, we take a leaf of the plant. It is a cabbage. So Dora take a cabbage from it. Then she make a salad from it. Then we take a garlic from garlic plant and she make a garlic paste from it, and first she peel it. Then we take a ginger from ginger plant. Then we take a brinjal from brinjal plant. Then we take a cauliflower from cauliflower plant. And we see that what Dora have: apple, brinjal, ginger, cabbage, carrot and cauliflower. So we help Dora to bring food from plant. Now Dora is very happy and she tell you goodbye, and I hope you all understand that which part of the plant we eat as a vegetable or as a fruit. And we also learn that stem of the plant and root of the plant. So take care, stay healthy.